Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build event management tools with Eventbrite step by step clearly. To start building your event management tools with Eventbrite, first, create an Eventbrite account. Visit the Eventbrite website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After account creation, log in to your new Eventbrite account. Next, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various event management options. Click on the Create Event button to begin the process of setting up your first event. Choose the type of event you want to create, such as in-person, online, or hybrid. Fill in basic details like the event title, date, time, and location. Add a detailed description of your event to inform potential attendees about what to expect. Upload an eye-catching event image to draw attention and engage your audience. Set up ticket types by clicking on the Tickets tab. Decide if you want to offer free tickets, paid tickets, or a combination of both. Define ticket quantities, prices, and whether attendees can register for multiple tickets. Adjust the settings for ticket sales, including start and end dates. Next, personalize your event page by customizing the layout and colors to align with your brand. Provide additional information by adding custom questions for attendees during registration. Once you're satisfied with the event details, review all the settings to ensure accuracy. When everything looks good, click on the Publish button to make your event live. Share the event link through social media, email, or your website to attract attendees. Monitor ticket sales and attendee registrations through the Eventbrite dashboard. As your event approaches, use Eventbrite's tools to communicate with your attendees. Send updates and reminders to ensure they have all the necessary information. After the event, gather feedback from attendees to improve future events. Utilize Eventbrite's analytics tools to review performance metrics and insights from your event. This will help you refine your strategies for your next event and improve your overall event management process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.